The body of a 22-year-old journalist and RTI activist who was kidnapped 4 days ago was found on Friday evening, burnt and tossed by the roadside near a village in Bihar's Madhubani district. Buddhinath Jha, alias Avinash Jha, was a journalist working with a local news portal. He disappeared 2 days after he uploaded a Facebook post that named medical clinics that he alleged were fake. His work had led to the closure of such clinics and massive fines for others. During his reporting, Buddhinath apparently received numerous threats and offers of lakhs in bribes, neither of which deterred him from his work. Moving on to the next news, following the recent sale of national carrier Air India and amid talks of disinvestments from various public sector units, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav on Saturday sought to dub the Narendra Modi government in the centre as Bechu, a seller one. This government is now selling everything. It was all okay when it was a fake bragging government, but there is a Bechu government now selling all the PSUs, Mr. Yadav said, addressing party workers in Gorakhpur. Moving on to the next news, internet services were shut down and a 4-day curfew was imposed on Saturday in Maharashtra's Amravati city, which witnessed fresh violence during a bandh, a senior police official said. A mob threw stones at shops during the bandh, allegedly organized by local BJP workers in protest against the rallies organized by Muslim organizations the day before to condemn the recent violence in Tripura, police said. Internet services in the city will remain suspended for 3 days so as to prevent the spread of rumors which can fuel violence, said the City Commissioner of Police Aarti Singh. Moving on to the next news, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan on Saturday said the cow, as well as its dung and urine, can strengthen an individual's economy and make the country financially capable. The government has developed cow sanctuaries and shelters, but it will not work alone and requires participation of society, he said, speaking at an event. If we want, we can strengthen our economy and make the country financially capable through cows, their dung and urine. MP's crematoriums have been using Gokashta, logs made of cow dung, to reduce the use of wood, he said. Moving on to the next news, Russia has started delivering the S-400 Triumph surface-to-air missile systems to India. The deliveries are going as planned, Director of the Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation (FSMTC), Dmitry Shugev, told Sputnik ahead of the Dubai Air Show. The supplies of the S-400 air defense system to India have started and are proceeding on schedule, Shugev said. The S-400 has already entered service in China and Turkey. Russia and India signed a contract on delivery of S-400s in October 2018.